Good morning, traders. I'm Ben Lichtenstein with your Schwab Network Morning Minute. Here are a few things to keep in focus today. Boeing is down this morning after its workers' union voted to strike for the first time in 16 years. Workers voted 94.6% against the tentative agreement that was revealed on Sunday, and 96% voted in favor of a strike. Production of the 737, 777, and 767 jets is now halted. The union's last strike was in 2008, and it lasted 57 days. Shares of Adobe are under pressure after its latest earnings report. The company reported record revenue for the third quarter, but revenue guidance for the next quarter came in softer than expected. Adobe's CFO said, given the massive markets we are catalyzing, I'm confident in our ability to drive growth and industry leadership. And shares of RH are rallying this morning after its earnings beat estimates. The luxury retailer saw a 7% increase in same-store sales and already a 12% increase in the current quarter through August. The company expects revenue to increase 7 to 9% next quarter and 5 to 7% in fiscal 2024. Be sure to download the Schwab Network app and watch 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.